Hey everybody. So today I'm going to be talking about cracks in control joints or construction joints in your coated floors. This is a crack that's in our floor in our shop. And this particular crack formed because there's movement in the concrete. All concrete moves. That's why concrete cracks. It has tension on it, and when it expands and contracts, that crack forms. Well, these joints are there to help control cracking. And whenever we put a coating on the floor, there's 3 or 4 different ways you can handle that. You can fill the joint with a polyurea, which is a semi-rigid joint filler, and it helps to block some of that movement and allow some movement on the epoxy or on the coating itself. But if the slab moves beyond what the coating will withstand, it will reflectively crack back through, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So here's some other ways that we can handle that. We can leave the joint completely open, so we can saw cut it and leave that open, and we can fill it with an elastic epoxy, or excuse me, elastic polyurea caulk. And even a polyurea caulk or a polyaspartic caulk can lose its elasticity over time and needs to be redone. And that could be, a few years before that happens, but it still can happen to a flexible polyaspartic caulk. The other thing that you can do is, this is a sample of a double broadcast system, and in the second broadcasted system, you've got a flexible epoxy. I don't know if you can see that moving, but you have a flexible epoxy which allows for some of that movement that you see in the slab in that crack. So those are a couple different ways you can handle it. Or you could leave that joint completely open. The fact of the matter is that concrete's going to move. It's going to expand and it's going to contract. There's nothing that any man or man-made object or man-made material can do to stop it. The question is, how do you want to handle it? These are the 3 things that can be done. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 334-514-5757 or send us an email at support@callpfc.com. Thank you.